Hello everyone, welcome back to Steam Code. This is part 6 of our HTML for Beginners tutorial series, and in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to add style, but this time in an external CSS document. So let's get started. So first of all, CSS is a language that's used to stylize HTML elements. So first thing we're going to need to do is create a CSS file. So you can click on New File. We'll call this main.css. And then in order to connect these two files so that the HTML can read from the CSS, we're going to need to add a tag called link. So we can say link rel is equal to style sheet to specify what type of link this is, and then href is equal to main.css. And so what this does is it basically allows this HTML document to connect with the CSS document so that whatever we write inside the CSS document applies to the elements within this HTML. So if we head into the CSS document, we can say body to specify that we want to add style to the body of the page. Then we can set the background color to, let's set it to aqua. If we save that and then reload, as you can see, the body has been changed to aqua. We can set the element with the ID of 1. We can set the font size to 100 pixels. As you can see, that has been changed. And so you can do basically anything that you can do in the previous tutorial, but now inside of an external document. And the reason this is beneficial is because it's much cleaner and allows you to consolidate all of your styles in one place instead of interspersed throughout the elements within your document. Alright, so this is just a brief overview of how you can add styles in your HTML web page with an external CSS document. And if you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.